Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade in Euro versus US dollar, in which you can get to see good profit or good loss. Hope you like the video. You can learn a lot in this video. I am applying trade now. Here I will use 1.50 lot size, which is calculated according to my risk. I apply for all trades and get them after some time. Guys, this account has $1,500, which will grow with proper risk management and psychology. Now we are running loss around $175. We will try our best to convert the loss into profit. Here the market is running in a downtrend for the last 5 days, but just 30 minutes ago a very good buying opportunity has been created, where we can make good profit. Now I will tell you after analyzing. Market was following this trend line some time ago, where we will see the lower high points. You can see in the chart why we have placed buy trade. In future also, I will tell you more reasons for buying trade. Connect another trend line with the same angle on the lower low point. The job of this trend line was to provide support, but now this trend line is of no use. This trend line is drawn because so that we can find out the length of the downtrend of the market. With this we can also find out the support resistance level. Market gave trendline breakout at this point, where we saw the opportunity of buying being created. There is a breakout here, so we can get a good move to the upside. According to this breakout, this trade can be a high probability trade. Here are two more reasons for our buying trade, from which we are getting good signals. Let us now draw a strong support resistance level so that we can better understand. We are seeing multiple reverse points at this level, which is most important. The market has repeatedly reversed at this level, due to which this strong level has been created. Here you will see multiple support resistance points where the market first took support, later broke it and made resistance. Market again broke the resistance and took support at the same level. Here also you will see the support become resistance pattern at the same level, from which we get the indication that this is a strong level which the market has just broken. So we have this high probability breakout where we can get good results. How well our levels are working accordingly. Market can go an uptrend, but anything can happen here. That's why its result will be seen in the end of the video. Please watch the video till the end. Guys, here's another rectangle level where the market has reversed very well. Let me draw you and explain. The market has reversed 2 to 3 times at this level, where strong support points has been created. From these points we know that market cannot break the support level because it was a strong support level. The market must have reversed at this level in the past. Double bottom created here on big time frame. If we see on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, then it is reverse pattern, which gives a high probability signal. We are getting a lot of good signals of an uptrend. Let's see what happens next. Now we set stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level, which is 15 pips away. If the market moves down again from our position, we will close the trade. And my target point will be 30 pips above where the market can move. Here the market is going in an uptrend, from which we can predict that market can create higher high point here. Here we are running $42 profit. Our risk here is $1,500. If stop loss is hit, we will lose $1,500. So always know before taking a trade. Guys, all our work is complete. Now we are seeing some profit, but here we can also have loss. If stop loss is hit here, then our account will be zero. Here our analysis is done in a very good way, which gives us good buying signals. Market analysis is in our hands, but profit or loss from that analysis is not in our hands. If the market gives us loss here, then we will accept it. If there is profit, then we will move ahead with that profit. See you guys after a while. Let's see what result the market gives.
I'm not lost, I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot, I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not. Let's go!
Guys, bad news, our stop loss was hit. We followed our rules well. After we applied the trade, the market started moving up after testing the trend line and strong support resistance level. But now the market has reversed again. We placed stop loss at this point, which got hit. We had calculated the proper risk management here, where our loss was $1,500. And my target point was at this level, which was only 3 pips away. But the market reversed before our target level, which is bad. We were very close to the target point. but we didn't close the trade before hitting the target here. We followed our rules. Our account is zero, no problem guys. There is profit loss in the market. We've got a lot to learn from this. This has strengthened our psychology. We can follow the risk well. Here we get to learn never to break the rules. Where there is profit there is bound to be loss. The next move of the market will be seen after a few seconds.
The next day.